Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am your host, Petalisbless. I'm coming on today to participate in a congrats milestone open collab, and the host is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and the second host for this collab is Glam Elegant Living. Now for our first DIY, I have this artist canvas and it's 16 by 20, and I'll be using some of these mirrored tiles that I got from Amazon. They have a sticky adhesive on the back, and there's just some plastic over the front to protect it. I'll remove that later, and I'm also going to be using some E6000 to help glue them onto our canvas. So we're just gonna place our mirrored sheets where we want them and then we're gonna use some E6000 to help glue them down. Even though they have adhesive on the back, we still need some strong glue to help hold them down to the canvas. So now that we have our pieces all glued down, we are going to use some crushed glass that I got from Michael's, and I'll be using some Mod Podge to help glue down the crushed glass. So I'm just going to go right around our decor with the Mod Podge and then laying down the crushed glass onto all the blank spaces of our canvas. Now our milestone collab that we are participating in today is for the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. She has reached a milestone on her channel, so she wanted to have this collab and invited all of us to help participate with her. Now there are a lot of co-hosts with this collab, and I will have a link to all their channels down below, so you guys, when you're finished, please go over, click on the link and watch everyone's video to see what we have to share for this milestone collab. Okay, our canvas is all dry, so we are just going to go back in with some more Mod Podge to help seal in the crushed glass. And I'll be adding some of this gold glitter. And now I'm adding some silver glitter to our canvas. So I'm just going to continue sealing in the crushed glass with the Mod Podge and then sprinkling our gold and silver glitter right around our canvas. And here is our finished look. See, I took off the plastic foam that was over the mirrors and I think it looks lovely. And here we go, I hung it in the washroom. It's a lovely piece of decor you can hang anywhere throughout your home. And all the items that I use for today's both DIYs will be listed down below in the description box. I love how the gold and the silver glitter look together. Very nice. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of today's mirrored wall decor. For DIY number 2, I have this vase here, which I taped off with some painter's tape, and I'm going to use some black acrylic paint and paint our vase going right around just the top half. And here's our vase all dry. And it does dry with a matte look. I love it. So I'm going to use some of these mirrored tiles here and add going around our vase. Now I'm going to use some of these little Glam gems here to go around the mirrored part of our vase. I finished the top part. And now I'm going to place some going around the bottom part of the mirror tiles. Alright everyone, now I'm going to use some Mod Podge and some more of our crushed glass and add it all over to the bottom part of our vase. I'm going to continue all the way around and then I'll set it aside to dry for a few hours. Okay, our vase is all dry, so I'm going to come back in with some more Mod Podge and seal in the crushed glass. When I'm all done sealing it in, I'll set it aside once again to dry for a few hours. Okay, now our Mod Podge is all dry. The mirror tiles are sealed in. I'm going to come in with this Glam bow here. And I'm going to use some hot glue and add it to our vase. Here is our finished look. A glam and elegant vase. It will make a lovely gift for a Mother's Day. It would be so nice if you could make this and gift it to that special mother in your life. Mother's Day is coming up, and also it would make an elegant and nice decor for your home. I really like how it turned out. The crushed glass looks lovely. And did you guys notice I didn't add any glitter? If you've been following me for a while, you know I always add glitter to my crushed glass, silver glitter. I didn't add any to this one. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's vase. Alright everyone, I hope you liked the 2 DIYs that I had to share with you for this milestone collab. Our Glam gold and silver mirror decor and our Glam silver and black with crushed glass too vase. I love the vase. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Well, like I said, that's all your girls got for you, and I do hope you will click the link down below and see what the other participants are sharing with us for this milestone collab. And if you're new to my channel, I would like to say welcome, and I hope you do hit that subscribe button on your way out. And don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. Alright everyone, you know, I would love for you to remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.